Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Louis Vuitton filter on Snapchat. So let's go to Snapchat. So once you are in Snapchat, on the bottom you can see this filter button, tap there. So I have already this filter in my Snapchat. So as you can see, this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, this is the 10th one, this is the 11th one, and this is the 12th one, 13th one, and this is the 14th one. So to find them, what you have to do, on the bottom you can see this more filter button, tap there. You can search LV and you will see all this filter, or you can search like Louis Vuitton. You can see all this filter here. So that's it guys. Likewise you can search for Louis Vuitton filter in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.